another guy didn't join
You
today.
know, he's going to come today. Today, Thursday, he has a tough time to manage his class. He's logging on from Australia.
Okay.
Anytime he can join, he will join.
Okay, sir. No issues.
And today we are going to cover kind of a important topic in Cambridge.
Okay.
It's initial level only, but let's see how it is.
Okay.
All right. This is one area that's for each level. This type of exercise will come. 1 second.
Oh.
I want you to read this. Dear Mr. Brian, and ends with the Soraya. And first you want to read with the dash on, like without any answers. Second time when you read, you want to really make out a word. Only one word can come. 41 through 50. They have given an example here. I am sorry. I am. It will be a basic word. I, we, you, he, she, it. Then is, was, were, been. All these basic words only. It could be a pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, or it could be a preposition in, on, at, like that, or it could be a supporting verb, something like so. You only one answer can come. Only one word you have to fill it in. So what
Okay.
I will do is first I will ask you to read it
Mm,
with the dashes, not with the answers.
mm.
Then you can take a minute's time. You can go with the answer.
Okay.
So I am sorry, but I can't come to your class. So first time when you read it, don't say the answer. Say dash. For example,
Okay.
I am sorry, but I can't come to your class.
That's
Dash more
that's
because I have dash
yeah.
written to my country. So you can start now, dear Mrs. Bryan.
Dear Mrs. Bryan, I am sorry, but I can't come to your class dash more because I have dash returned to my country. My sister is going to get married dash month. I want to go shopping dash here to choose a dress. My parents dash going to make a big meal for the guests and there will dash a lot of work in the kitchen. I am sorry I dash leave the English class. You are dash very good teacher. Please dash goodbye to the other students for dash. Thanks again.
Best wishes, Soraya. So this is a letter. This is kind of a communication. They call open close. This particular
Okay.
task, they call it open close. It's going to be there in all the levels, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. These keywords, you have to functional, what they call functional words. You have to find out only one word. That's
Mm.
all. Generally, there will be only one answer. That answer also will have only one word. Like I am sorry. So you want to take some time, being the first exercise. You want to take some. You want to quickly run through it, and
Sir, in this, I have one doubt, sir. We have
yes,
to fill with along what I.
only that word. 41. This answer. 42. This answer. 43. This answer.
Okay, sir.
Single word.
Oh.
You can try
But
it.
now, yesterday, to these three classes, we saw subject, verb, object, no, sir.
Yeah, that's what I told. Like we talked about pronoun. You remember I, we, you, he, she, it, they, her, all
Mm-hmm.
that. That could be here. Same way, preposition in, on, at, by, for, can, could, may, might, will, would, shall. The 23 words that could be
Okay.
here. So the mainly those 23 words and preposition. Of course, pronoun. Those three things.
Mm-hmm.
Are you finding it difficult?
I'm
I
thinking
will
the
give
answer
you,
in mind.
I will actually walk with you on the first one. Okay? It's not going to be, 41 is really tough. That's why you are getting stuck. 42 is should be easy, right? 42.
Yeah, sir. 42. If I read in mind, it will little bit easy, but starting I can't able to connect, sir.
Can't able. You said something right. Can't and able should not come together. I am not able to.
I'm not able to. Okay.
Yeah, can and able should not come together. So I am not able to, or I cannot. That way.
Okay.
So I am sorry, but I can't come to your class anymore. 41 is any. Write it down. Write it down. 41 is any. Any more. Any more. You underlined any. You underlined any.
Okay.
Any more. Because I have easy 42. Can you give me the 42?
Because I hope I have would return to my
I have, after have, what should come? Because written is here, have is there.
have been.
Have been written, there is no thing, right? You can't get it, and the 20 structures it will not come. But if something is very easy. These words are always simple words.
I have to return to
I
my
have to
teacher.
return. Now write it down, 42 have to, underline 2, underline 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
My sister is going to get married within.
Oh, not really. Within month you can't have, only one word. So my sister is going to get married, and I'll give you this one some help so that next one onwards you can be yourself. Married this month or next month? This month. Married next month. You put next month. My sister is going to get married in
Married next month.
next month. Underline it. You put next month. Underline next.
I want to
Go
go
shopping.
shopping for her to choose a dress.
Not really. Not for her. With her. With her. I want to go shopping with her.
Shopping with her to choose a
Because
dress.
she is also going to come. Shopping for her means you are only going, not she. So with her, underline with.
Uh, my parents uh, are going to make
Super. Are going to make, underline are going. You go are going, you do are going, and are going to make.
a big meal for the guest, and there will be a lot of work in the kitchen.
Will be. Underline be. Write down will 46. Take your time, because the next thing onwards you have to do. It's going to be easy. There will be a lot of work in the kitchen. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I have leave. I
I,
want to leave the class.
I have leave will not come, right?
I want to leave the class.
Two words is coming. Only one word you have to fill it.
I'm sorry.
I will
I
leave the English
must.
class. I will leave the English class.
I will leave the English.
Yeah. Will leave. Underline will. Then you are
Dash. Very good teacher.
simple word only. Simple word only. Don't think big words. Simple word. When you think about big words, the answer will not come.
You are dash. Very good.
You are dash a very good teacher. I'll help you here again. You are a very good teacher. You are a very good teacher. Yeah.
You are a very good.
Yeah, 48. Write it
You
down.
are a very good teacher.
Yeah. Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good teacher. You underline yeah alone.
Okay, sir.
Please.
Please dash goodbye to the other students. Please inform.
Not inform. Goodbye means informal, right? You inform is official. Please say goodbye. S-A-Y. Write it down. 49. Say. S-A-Y. S-A-Y. Say goodbye. Write it down. You are going to be all right. Once you do this, say goodbye to the other students. For
to please
Say goodbye to the other students for me. Me for me. On behalf of me, say goodbye to them. Me.
we
Me. Write it down. 50 for me.
for me. Okay.
And me is underlined. Now you are going to read it.
For behalf of me or me yourself?
Just me. Just me. Only one
Okay.
word. The open close is going to be one word. Now,
Okay.
Kanishka, you can now read it. Dear Mrs. Bryan.
Dear Mrs. Bryant, I am sorry, but I can't come to your class anymore. But I have to because I have to return to my country. My sister is going to get married next month. I want to go to I want to go shopping with her to choose a dress. My parents are going to make a big meal for the guests and there will be a lot of work in the kitchen. I am sorry, I will leave the English class. You are a very good teacher. Please say goodbye to the other students for me.
Very good, very good. See, initially it was tough, now it is going to be easy, right? What I will do is, I will do a screenshot of this and send it across to you.
Okay, sir.
That you have to take a, audio recording of this. You have to really read it out to me with the answer. Now
Okay.
let's do the second one. This time you have to be on your own.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to make it bigger so that it so. There you go. Take your time. You can read it with the blanks. Then you have to really fit it in. You need time for each dash, little bit time.
Okay.
Take your time, and there is and the answers have to be accurate. Okay, they don't go fast.